Mastering email subject lines. Organizing and filtering made easy. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of email organization and filtering, focusing on the crucial role of subject lines. Subject lines are often the first thing people see in their inbox, so it's essential to understand how to use them effectively. They're not just about summarizing your email, but can also greatly help in organizing and filtering emails. Let's get started. Emails have become a primary mode of communication in professional, academic, and personal settings. However, handling a busy inbox can be a daunting task. This is where effective use of subject lines comes into play. A well-crafted subject line serves two main purposes. 1. It grabs the recipient's attention, giving them an idea of what the email is about before they open it. 2. It serves as a tag or label for the email, making it easier to find and organize. A clear, concise, and meaningful subject line can drastically improve your email management, saving you time and preventing important messages from getting lost in the clutter. Let's look at some ways to write effective subject lines that make organizing and filtering emails easier. Be specific. Instead of writing, meeting, write, marketing team meeting agenda the 23rd of August. This gives your recipient an immediate understanding of the email's content and priority. Plus, it's easier to locate in a crowded inbox. Use keywords. Incorporate relevant keywords related to the topic, project, or event. For example, for a project update, you could write Project Titan, Weekly Update. This helps when you or your recipient needs to search for specific emails later. Include action items or deadlines. If your email requires action, include it in the subject line. For example, proposal needed, deadline the 30th of August. Use prefixes. Common prefixes like FYI, urgent, or action required help to immediately convey the nature and urgency of the email. Remember, the goal is to make the subject line a mini summary of your email that helps in easy identification and categorization. Most email clients allow you to set up rules or filters based on subject lines. These filters automatically sort incoming emails into specific folders based on your criteria, helping to keep your inbox clean and organized. Here's a general way to do it. 1. Decide on a consistent subject line strategy, like the ones mentioned above. 2. Set up filters in your email client that automatically move emails with certain keywords in the subject line to specific folders. For example, you might create a filter that moves all emails with invoice in the subject line to a folder called Finance. Or, all emails with meeting could go into a Meetings folder. This not only helps in organizing your inbox but also ensures you don't miss out on any important email. That's all for today's video on the importance of subject lines in organizing and filtering emails. Remember, a well-crafted subject line can turn your chaotic inbox into a neatly organized workspace. We hope you found this video helpful, and that you'll put these tips into practice to take control of your inbox. Happy emailing, everyone!